Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today I'm opening up October's Bibbidi Box. It's the ultimate Bibbidi Box, which is $119. Anyways, interesting thing is, it's been happening is I've actually been getting my box the following month. So I received this box November 4th. So that's something if you're kind of going into the holidays, you might want to be aware of, because I'm not sure I want holiday stuff in January. So I might actually email Bibbidi Box and see what they say to see if I can't get back in a more normal rotation. So we'll see if that's a possibility. But I'm excited for this month still. There was something I really wanted on my preference list. So we'll see if I got it. So let's get into it. Okay. Once again, I kind of feel weird when it says spooky in November. All right, a quick note. Okay, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope we love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager account by logging into Bibbidi Club. So that was an option and something I did check when I signed up, so I'm okay with that. And this little thing comes with this comes with my packing slip, so we'll save the spoilers for later. Interestingly enough, still nice green wrapping. Since I said it's all big items, let's see. Okay, this was on my Bibbidi list. It wasn't my first choice, so I'm kind of bummed out about that one. Not gonna lie. And since it's wrapped, yeah, I actually really wanted the Hocus Pocus backpack that I wished for and didn't get it. So, womp. And I thought this time if I put more items on my preference list, like I thought that was part of the problem, was why I got to the back of the pack, was that I wasn't only putting like 3 or 4 items. So I'm wondering if that's kind of the reason why I was, but this box shows no, that's not the case. Because I actually had like 6, 7 items on my wish list this time. So I got this beautiful Maleficent Loungefly bag. I do like the bag and it's beautiful, and you have Aurora Sleeping Beauty. You have Aurora Sleeping Beauty on here. Little evil Maleficent watching over her. Very evil eyes. Ooh. But I do love Maleficent, so. Oh, okay, kind of cool thing is inside her face continues as part of the lining. That's kind of cool. I haven't seen that before. And there's a little side pocket, but it's sewn in, and same with this side. And on the back, it just has it looks like the straps, I'll open up real quick because it's kind of cool. It looks like the mines. So that's cool. And inside, the lining is super pretty. I love it. It's beautiful. If you guys can see the lining at all. It's purple and it's got Maleficent with her big long horns up. And the dragon. And what's the other? Is that the raven with her? Yeah. So that's really pretty. And it has a little zipper pocket inside. There's only one other thing in here, so it's higher by... And this actually goes with my box last month. So I love this because one of my other favorite movies is Aladdin from Disney. And it's got Princess Jasmine and Raja. And I don't ask for wallets too often. So the fact it went with it, and I just really love this wallet. It's a princess wallet. So it's got a nice little billfold. I like how small it is. It's more compact. So sometimes in Loungeflies, it's hard to take a bigger, longer wallet. So here you go. And inside, oh, it's got a boo and genie lamp. And on the back side. And inside, it has like a tiny little bit of cloud pattern. So that'd hold a lot. That's pretty. Let's see if there's any lining. Oh, and in the coin purse, it's got the cloud lining. You guys can see that. So we'll get into the preference and the packing list. The Loungefly Disney Villain Scene Maleficent Sleeping Beauty bag was $85. So that's cute. And then the Loungefly Disney Jasmine Castle Kiss Lock wallet was $40. So it's $125. I paid $119. So I do get a little bit more value. But in all honesty, this box in value has probably been one of the least, like, more for your value in compared to what you pay that I've gotten. They are both items that I like, but like I said, I really wanted Hocus Pocus, and maybe I didn't get Hocus Pocus item themes because I got this set in November, but and I fill out my preference list always on the day that it opens, so I'm a little, and I picked a lot of Halloween stuff, so I'm a little, I get it, but I'm also a little confused, so I don't know. So I'm a little conflicted, I'll be honest. Hopefully next month will be a little bit better. Like I said, love both items, but I really picked a lot of stuff that were Halloween. So for me, it was like yay and nay a little bit. So I'm hoping that when I pick holiday stuff, I'll really get holiday stuff. And it won't be like in like a month late, so we'll see. Please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. All right, with that, I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.